What's up, guys? I'm making another video on my truck. A lot of people was asking me a lot of things that I had done to it when I dropped it. I have a lot of updates I did to it since then. I think my last video, it was a 4.6 drop, but now it's sitting. We live on some really bad streets around here, so now it's gonna be sitting. Actually, in the front, I used to have just these spindles and springs. The spindles and springs gave me that 4-inch drop. But I bought some Beltec adjustable struts. It's the struts that have the rings that can lift and lower the truck. So actually I lifted it up a little bit. So I'm sitting about 3.5 up here. I have a lot of fender gap because I just got these new Denali wheels, and the tires are way too skinny. I'm gonna go back to 305 40s, but if you're wondering what tire this is a 265 35 22. So that's in the front. I'm sitting at 3.5 in the front now. So this is what, 3.5. And I was sitting at 6, but now I'm sitting at 7. So this truck is what a 3.5 7 looks like on the 08 Sierra. So if you're familiar with the flip kit in the back, underneath the axle there is a block that has like it's like rounded and fits around the axle. So what I did was I had a guy fab me up the same block, but an inch bigger. That makes that drop the back. So like putting the block is what dropped it. So I'm sitting at a 7 back here. I mean, that's about all I've done to it since my last video. I got a custom tune. I have no more of that V8 to V4 mode. That's disabled. I got a little bit more get up in like the passing years, yada yada. If you come to the front here, I'm about to make another video for y'all because I have headlights and a grill on order. So this is old school. This is about to go. I mean, other than that, that's about it. I really like the silver wheels instead of the older Denali style wheels. I got GMC center caps on order because that is not GMC. Other than that, yeah, I mean the reason you see so much fender gap right here is because the guy who traded me my other wheels for these had like a slam cat eye, so he had these little skinny 265 35, which I'm gonna go back to 305 40s. But yeah, that's her. If you have any questions, just leave it below. And I'm gonna keep on making more videos. You know, if you like them, let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe. But that's her, my truck. I love it. Thank y'all.